0 to 60 in a 20th of a second. There are hunters here with vision so acute they can pick out even the most camouflaged creatures. A panther chameleon. With eyesight 5 times sharper than our own, and almost 360-degree surveillance, there's not much he misses. What looks like a dead leaf is actually a ghost mantis. A chameleon's vision is attuned to movement. If the mantis stays still, he might just stay alive. But he needs to eat too. The chameleon locks on, then unleashes his deadly weapon. 0 to 60 in a 20th of a second. Few insects are safe from the stealthy panther.